So, talent. Do you have any talent? Well, most people would say no if we ask them if they have any talent. And that's because we're not the ones that decide whether or not we have talent. Now, some people think their talent is something you're born with or not. And then there's people like me who think their talent can be developed. Hi everybody, CJ here. Today we're talking about talent. What is talent? Is talent something that you're born with or is something that you can develop? Well, lots of people think that talent is sort of a natural ability, a natural aptitude for a certain skill or a certain subject. So kind of like something that you're born with or somehow some God-given talent or a genetic predisposition for something. Like being tall means that you could be good at basketball. Even though if you're tall, it doesn't mean you're interested in basketball. And if you are, it doesn't mean that you're any good at it. So what actually is talent? To me, I think that talent is more of a natural predisposition to enjoy a task. If it's a task or a subject that you enjoy, then you're going to take the time to learn it, to really master it. Now, how long does it take to master a task? It takes 10,000 hours to master pretty much any skill, task, or activity. And you're not going to spend that kind of time doing something that you don't like to do. So you only do it with something that you like, so hence talent. You spend the time on it, and it's people that say whether or not you have talent. Because when you start working on it, when I started learning my scales, I wasn't talented. Nobody called me talented. I didn't think I was talented, and I wasn't talented. It wasn't until afterward, when I'm able to play, then people say, ooh, you're so talented. But it's the iceberg illusion. They see you on top, and they say, oh, you're so talented. But they don't see the body of work underneath that really creates the talent. That's what it is. You know, it's a genuine interest in a subject that turns into a passion. That's how talent is really measured. It's not some natural God-given ability. You're not just going to wake up one morning and be able to play the piano or be able to draw or paint a great masterpiece. It just doesn't happen that way. But if you enjoy painting, or if you enjoy music, or if you enjoy math or any of these things, then the more you work at them, the better you'll get. And as soon as those results become evident, that's when you'll be called talented. Now, of course, you yourself, you understand that you worked hard for it, so it doesn't feel like you're talented. Michelangelo, the artist, the Renaissance artist, he said, if people knew how hard I had to work to achieve mastery, they wouldn't think it's so wonderful. And I think he's absolutely right. And then you have people like Cristiano Ronaldo, the football player whose name I can't even pronounce properly, right? Ronaldo, who says that it's talent, that you're never going to achieve success without talent. And in a way, he's right. Because without the passion, then you're not going to do the work that's required. If you see how Ronaldo trains and practices, then you say, oh, well, actually, he says it's talent, but if you see how he trains, then you know it's also work. That's really what it is. So if you enjoy it, then you're going to be talented at it. It's simple as that. So yes, talent can be developed. So have you found your talent? Have you found something that you're genuinely interested in that will grow and develop into a passion? That's really the question. What's your passion? What's your genuine interest? That'll be your talent. So do you have talent? Yes, you do. You just need to find it. And if you want to learn how to play piano, I'll teach you. So You can try that out. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.